Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be having a look at a product from Whizzer, which they've kindly sent me to review, so thank you very much to the company, which is a pair of in-ear monitors for musicians and also earbuds. So these are wired earbuds and they are high quality. They have a nice copper or silver coated cable, which comes here, and they have a gold plated 3.5mm headphone jack, which is very unusual to see these days. We're all used to Bluetooth headphones. It's nice to test a pair of wired headphones, and I have to say the sound quality is great on wired headphones from what I've just tried. So let's get into this review and then find out who these earbuds are for, should you buy them, and what you get, and how do they sound good. So stay tuned and let's sit back and relax and enjoy the video. So let's start off with looking at the design of these earbuds and these wired earbuds, because I'm always interested to try wired earbuds. We're so used to Bluetooth these days, and it's nice to try something with a wire on it, because I think the wire does ultimately give you a better sound, a bit like in computing. If you have a wire of a wireless, you get a better performance. So Whizzer are definitely marketing these as in-ear monitors for musicians. So I'm not a musician, I don't have experience with in-ear monitors, just to caveat this, but I do have a lot of experience in testing out headphones, as I've been using a lot for this channel, and also I've been an avid audiophile on my headphones and speakers over the years. So I picked up a DAC to go with these. I've not used a DAC before, so I wanted to get the best sound out of them possible. So I picked up a USB-C DAC from IFE, which I've heard is very good, and it's the first one I've tried, so I haven't got anything to compare it to, but I'm not reviewing this product at all, just to let you know. I'm just using it through a DAC, USB-C DAC, to get the best quality out of it. Obviously, you can pick up any 3.5mm to USB-C headphone converter to use. Just bear in mind the sound quality may be affected, because I found using a cheaper one, it doesn't sound quite as good. So it's worth picking one up. I think it's about £50. It's worth picking it up to get the best sound quality out of it. But anyway, I digress with it. So what we've got here then is, the design-wise, you've got the earbuds here, which kind of are nicely designed. They're in silver, these, and they've got the adjustable ear tips on the end. So it comes in with a nice carry case here, and just lots of ear tips, as most headphones do, to fit your ears. So clever play around with it. I found it made quite a big difference to the sound and the fit, playing around with the tips and how to get it into your ears. So it's worth spending a few minutes getting it right to get the best sound quality out of it. And then you've got, obviously, these buds, the wire detaches from them, so you can put that into the case without the wire on it. And also you can then replace the wire if it gets frayed or anything like that. And it has a colour-coded connection, so you know which is left and which is right, because I got that mixed up straight away when I put it out of the box. But then it's actually really easy when you figure it out. So the earbuds do actually hook over your ears if you put them on. So they have a silver-plated wire coming up here, and then this kind of hooks onto your ears on the right and left side of it. It's really easy once you get the hang of it. I was very daft and didn't figure it out straight away, but actually once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly easy. And you've got a relatively long cable that runs down to the 3.5mm gold-plated headphone jack down here, and that will then plug into your phone and give you the quality audio. So as I've mentioned, wired headphones are different to Bluetooth ones. So Bluetooth is very lossy. We don't get that same quality. So wired headphones, you can use true lossless audio. So if you're playing from something like Tidal, Deezer, or even Apple high-res music now, you can get true lossless audio, and they are marketed these as high-res earbuds. So to use them as high-res earbuds, you just need a high-res streaming service like Tidal, as I mentioned, or something like that. Set it to lossless audio, then you get 24-bit, 16-bit hi-fi or CD quality streaming through the USB-C DAC or your headphone adapter straight into the earbuds, and it will give you that true lossless audio. Whereas Bluetooth isn't true lossless, it just gives you that, even if you've got Qualcomm's ABTX lossless version, it's not true lossless as wired would be, because it still has a little bit of loss in it. It's getting better, we're nearly there with it, but it's not quite as good as a wired connection. And I thought the sound quality on these was excellent. So we'll move on to sound quality next. So it's quite a rich sound quality. It's quite a big soundstage in your ear, which I imagine would be very useful if you're a musician, because you'll be able to hear everything that's going on. It was quite detailed, it got plenty of details in it. The bass is not as heavy as some earbuds, so just bear that in mind. If you like your bass, it's not quite as heavy, but you can EQ it on the apps. If you go into some apps, have EQs on them, you can adjust the bass and stuff like that. Not Whizzer don't have an app for this, because it's not Bluetooth, it's just wired, so you have to faff around with your own EQ settings on it if you want to get it right. But out of the box, the standard sound sounds very good. It's not too bass heavy, it's not too bass light either, because I do like a lot of bass, and I found it actually okay for my taste. So if you're into your bass, which a lot of people are, then I thought it was okay, but you can adjust it if you need to. They're just not the heaviest bass headphones I've heard. And it's quite a natural sound as well. So I think this is because of its lossless audio. I tried it on non-lossless and lossless, and I found the sound was much more natural with the lossless side of it. Start to fall away a bit, you notice the difference on the lossy audio side of it, which is fine because I think that illustrates how good the earbuds are, because it's showing you how good the sound quality is by playing a high quality source through it. Gives you that high quality sound. I'm not going to go into too much detail on the frequency and stuff like that, because we don't do that on this channel. I just want to say that I've really enjoyed my time with these earbuds. I think the sound is excellent. I've played a variety of different music through them and it gives a good sound quality. I like using a wired earbud, wide cable headphones for a change. I think it makes a big difference and makes the experience better. It feels more like a proper listening session if you're using the wide earbuds. But I definitely recommend checking these out. They're on Whizzer's website. I'll put the link down below, and also they're on Amazon as well. And there are some different models you can try out if you like different colours. I particularly like the silver ones. I thought they looked very nice. I thought they fit very well, very comfortable for walking around. They're not noise cancelling anyway. There's no noise cancellation. I mean, they do offer a bit because they fit in your ear, so they sort of seal your ear, so they do give you a bit of noise cancellation, but not a huge amount. Just bear that in mind. They're not like a Bluetooth style noise cancellation because they're not powered in any way. So for me, great earbuds. Good. They were good for movie watching as well, and also good for general everyday audio listening. So check them out. Check Whizzer's website out. What do you think of these earbuds? Would you go wired or would you go Bluetooth? Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and please do give me a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. So thanks very much, and I'll speak to you next time.